A robust 700-watt motor, constructed with pure copper wiring, delivers consistent and reliable power for any detailing task. Novice detailers will appreciate the random orbital motion, which ensures a swirl-free finish and virtually eliminates the risk of burning through the vehicle's clear coat. Its ergonomic design, featuring a comfortable front grip and a curved handle, significantly reduces user fatigue during extended polishing sessions. The versatile 6-speed control dial allows for precise adjustments from 1,000 to 3,800 orbits per minute, making it suitable for everything from applying wax to heavy paint correction. This tool arrives as a remarkably complete package, including a variety of foam and wool pads, a microfiber towel, and even a durable tool bag for storage. With its powerful motor and an all-inclusive accessory kit, this polisher provides everything needed to restore a vehicle's paint to a brilliant, like-new shine right out of the box.